Hey guys, so today my hair is up. It's really messy. I am on the floor and I'm in a different part of my room and you might hear chirping. That's because I got my ducklings and I didn't touch them yet. I was just looking at them and I had to clean up my room because my friend's coming over and now I am going to play with them for the first time and they're probably going to be really scared, but that's normal. They'll get used to me. Let's get started, guys. This is Bulger. It's the black one. And then I'll go get... Stay here. Okay. It's okay. Oh my gosh, look at this. Guys, I got ducklings. You gotta go. Huh? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Guys, these are mine, nobody else's. Hi. What's up? Huh? Look how cute they are. Look at that. They're so cute. Oh, they're kissing. They're both guys, by the way. They're amazing. Because they're so cute. Let's see if they come to me. Can I come over here? Guys, the black one is Bulger, and Jumond is the yellow one. It's gonna be white. Look how cute they are. Oh, no, you guys won't. Guys, I'm trying not to cuddle them so much. I screamed because my mom sent me a picture and I was in school at the time and I got it. They're so cute. Oh, pick you up. Hey, Jimmy. No, it's okay. Put you down. You like being held? You like Buddy. You don't like being held. You do. Like Junior. Alright guys, this video is gonna go on, but I love these guys. Okay. They are so cute. He's biting my ring. I am so excited right now. Joel! Joel, look it! By the way, it's recording. They're scared of you. They literally started climbing on me. I said this one is like Buddy because he doesn't like to be held, and then this one's like Junior because he's all up on me.
Yeah, he doesn't like being held yet. He's in your hand.
Yeah. But I tried picking him up. Close my door tight. Thank you. Oh. Close it tight.
Okay.
Oh my god, I love you guys. Yeah? What? I can't. Okay. Come on. Just gotta go back in your cage. Guys, get in the video. Bye.